Live ta!
What's
What's
up?
up, bro?
Dude, this is my first ever. Can you hear me? Pwede
Yeah.
magstorya? Okay,
Yeah.
Sabadi
Yeah.
na.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Kayo, okay kayo.
Oh, fight. Actually, this is my first ever Zoom. I've never done this, man.
Really?
Yeah, grab you.
And happens to be live on air.
Oh my
on
god,
MOR.
grab you,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, we're
Medyo ulaw.
Where are you at right now?
Bala, sa Aguinaldo, taas ng Viajero Outdoor Center. It's like Picasa Eco Store.
Here in Cagayan lang din pala.
Oh. Actually, akong barkada is Eric and Reina Bontuyan, the owners of Viajero. So I'm like tambay, quarantined in their outdoor store.
Lucky for you, at least.
Yeah, it's alright, man.
Let me meet you, Rico Suave.
We met
Actually,
already.
Yeah, man.
A couple of times.
You got the coolest name, bro. Rico Suave.
Take it.
It means Suave means no evidence. Suave.
Never been caught.
It's never been caught. That's what
Grab me, man.
all right.
So Rico, that's like the station. You're at the station, man.
Yeah. You're mismo
Cool.
Station
No way, man. You're the only person, right? They gave you the whole station because of the pandemic.
It's like
Station manager.
sort of.
Already a not 100% but 500% Filipino already.
Nice one. That's big.
Everywhere you go, you still coming back to Cagayan de Oro.
Oh, dude, bro, I've been studying Bisaya an hour every day with a tutor.
So what's your new word for today?
Actually, yesterday.
In Bisaya.
So gahapon sa Bisaya, we were talking about like shopping. And let's say like moadto na ko sa tindahan and gusto ko palit. Is it isakulud? How do you say clothing? Sakulud?
What? Clothing?
What's the clothing sa Bisaya?
Hindi na.
Oh, you need okay. Anyways, but imagine you're trying on clothes, you know, and it's like really tight. You're like, oh, hugot gamay.
Good.
Oh, hugot.
Or hugot gamay or huot or something. Not otut.
Dapat isukod para mabalaan kung huot.
Sakto is good. That's the word.
Isukod. You try it first. Yeah,
but mas kanahan ko because we've been practicing too. Like imagine I'm in a taxi. Like, oh, kuya, pwede liko wala hand sa tulay. You know, like.
Well, you got it right. Unahan sa tulay.
Oh.
In Bisaya, point your body parts like from.
Like this.
Okay. Then name those body parts in Bisaya. Like this one.
Oh, name the body parts, man. Oh,
you try. Sige, dobe.
Okay. Mata.
Eyes, mata.
Nawang.
Oh, good, no? How about here, the forehead?
Bohok. Forehead. By Dako forehead.
No.
Bohok.
This is
Bohok
agtang.
Agtang.
How about this one?
Agtang.
What's this?
These ones. These are the. Oh man, hold up. I know this because I eat them. Sugba. You get them on the sugba. It's really good.
Yeah, 5.
Hold up.
4.
No.
Yes.
No, I know this.
2.
Oh, you too much pressure, you ever people. Grab me.
Starts with letter D.
Da.
Da. 3 syllables.
Da.
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 It's Dalandan.
Sakto. I know that this is bohok. Bohok, your hair. Bohok. If Dila.
Dila. Yeah.
Dila.
How about that?
This is Ilong.
Yeah, ilong. Correct. How
Ilong.
about here? You love to kiss the cheeks, diba?
The cheeks. Brett, do you know cheeks in Bisaya? Sorry, Brett's in the house. He said butt cheeks. I don't know what butt cheeks are.
This is what you call
With the tree.
apping. Apping.
Apping?
Aping.
Yeah.
Apping. So, apping, mata, ilong, bohok. What's this one?
Lungan.
Dalungan.
What's ears again?
Dalungan.
Dalungan?
Dalungan.
Dalongan.
Sounds like a gulai. Seriously, man, like, or like a fish, like galonggong. You know galonggong?
Yeah.
Like dalungan, like galonggong.
Sounds like.
Kuya, gusto ko palit ng dalugan. Sounds like isda, sa palengke.
Plus, how many years are you since you visited in the Philippines?
How many years?
Yeah.
Anim.
6 years. Wow.
It's been 6
Oh.
years.
Anim katuig.
You've been in South.
Pero medyo scrambled akong is it utok the brain?
Utok.
Yeah, because like sobrang aglaag, so like usahay Tagalog, minsan Tagalog, usahay Bisaya, Mayan
Get mixed up
aga.
with the language.
So
Yeah.
like my brain is always scrambled in language. So that's why like Kabalo, actually I'm okay understanding Bisaya. I'm much better than speaking it because
And there are words in Visayan that are different meaning in Luzon. Like, for example, libang.
or just langgam, man. Langgam, like
Yeah,
birds and
langgam.
ants. Yeah.
That's right. Good example.
Iba.
Langgam.
But-
Langgam.
There's a lot of. I think you already completed the Philippines, Kulas.
Hapit na, 80 provinces.
Oh my God!
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
That's a title.
But I still haven't laagged my whole house, man. I've only been to the sala, the cuarto, the cuisina, but I'm too afraid of the white lady to go upstairs.
Oh my goodness. Is there a white lady?
I don't know, man. Like medyo had luck because we always hear like creaky doors, like, and like whoosh whoosh whoosh.
Nah, I know that
Like,
one.
Wait,
Oh,
what,
I can.
during the quarantine, what's your food there? Filipino food there. I saw you cooking bulad.
Oh yeah, we're experto because we have a dirty kitchen, like a wasabi. So we can just like cook outside. So bulad, yeah, we had silai, like hand silai. Actually, no joke, man. Me and Brett really enjoy bulad. Like that's not a joke. Like actually, I would eat it every morning, man. You just as long as you you sao.
You love the smell.
The smell.
Oh, nah. No, man.
If you love the bulad, how about the ginamos?
Ginamos is like, okay lang if it has daghan mantika and daghan kamatis.
Yeah.
But if it's just like straight up hardcore ginamos,
Raw.
then like you gotta be hardcore Bisaya, man. To like
You
that.
tried
That's like a
the
level up.
raw with calamansi.
Calamansi.
Yeah, but it's just like super. How do you say like strong, like kuskan, but like food, like super. Like it like stumbag, it like punches you in the face. Oh.
Pero we have a local term that we call it mouse kayo.
Mouse?
Oh, mouse kayo.
Bro,
That means to
that
say,
mouse. Okay. How do you say
kayo.
mouse?
It's a mouse. It smells mouse kayo. That means it's a good smell of the ginamos.
Sakto. Dude, I should be taking notes, man. I got my little notebook for my Bisaya lessons. Every day at 1 p.m. I do Bisaya, bro.
When you go to the store, you ask the tindera Get in the give me the ginamos na mouse kaayo.
So like super strong.
Yeah,
Mouse
promise.
kayo.
Yeah, they'll probably give you the best
Well,
ginamos.
Okay, so you'd be like mga or like palito
Mouse
ginamos.
kaayo na ginamos.
Mouse kayo na ginamos. Cool.
question.
You got it right.
And then if I
Mm-hmm.
And seafood.
yeah no you when you see the foods in the cans, you see the food. So it's like you got your corned beef, you got your.
You got me there.
Not bad, no.
Filipino, Kulas, ha? You're already a Filipino now.
I think we're all going a bit. Our brains are getting all scrambled by this unique crisis we're all in. So,
After
it's worth it.
after 6 years. So how's your feeling right now? It's really nice to be a Filipino.
Dude, I'm super stoked to be here. I still say my greatest fear is just getting kicked out of the country, man. So no scandals, okay? No scandals. Don't kick me out.
How about your alien? What's that again?
Oh, alien things. I'm good, man. I'm good. All my permits are good. I'm not
Alien
alien
for
anymore.
me.
Actually, I still am. I still have an alien permit, but it's all good, bro. Yeah, man.
That's how we.
Dude,
That's how we call it.
we're getting old, man. Like we were like talking on the radio like 4 years ago. What happened? Like, now we're stuck. Now we're stuck with Rico Suave. Like, what's going on, Bernie? He's taking over. What happened to him? Like, filthy
I'm retiring soon, man. Anyway, wait. So we have a question actually now. So again, we're live on radio, and later I will upload this video. The question now is, what are those things that you haven't done, but because of quarantine, you've done it today? Like, for example, for the longest time, you've never cleaned your room, but because of quarantine.
Oh, dude, I finally took a bath.
Seriously. Filipino ka na talaga.
Honestly, no joke.
Mhm.
Like, I usually, because it's like super loud. I'm always going around. I never actually clean anything, and I'm still not cleaning much. But I'm cleaning a tiny bit more